Have you ever found yourself wondering if you can truly cut ties with a financial service, or if you're stuck in a digital relationship forever? It's a question that pops up more often than you'd think, especially when we're talking about apps that offer quick financial fixes. We sign up, use them for a bit, and then for whatever reason, maybe our financial situation improves, we find a better alternative, or perhaps we just want to declutter our digital lives. We start thinking, can I actually delete this account? Today, we're diving into that very question specifically concerning Beforepay, a popular service that provides early access to your wages. It's super convenient when you need a little buffer before payday, but what happens when you no longer need their services? Is deleting your Beforepay account as straightforward as hitting an uninstall button, or are there more steps involved? And more importantly, why would you even want to delete it in the first place? There are a few common reasons people consider closing their Beforepay account. Perhaps you've achieved better financial stability and no longer require wage advances. Maybe you've consolidated your finances elsewhere, or you're simply trying to minimize your digital footprint and reduce the number of apps linked to your bank account. For some, it might be a privacy concern. The less data floating around, the better. Whatever your reason, understanding the process of account deletion is crucial. So, let's get straight to it. Can you delete a Beforepay account? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can. However, it's not always a single-click affair, and there are a few important things you need to be aware of before you initiate the process. The first and most critical step before attempting to delete your Beforepay account is to ensure you have no outstanding advances or pending repayments. Beforepay operates on a system where you repay your advance on your next payday. If you have any active advances, you won't be able to close your account until those are fully settled. It makes sense, right? They need to ensure all financial obligations are met before you can say goodbye. Once you've confirmed that all your repayments are up to date and there are no outstanding amounts, the next step usually involves contacting Beforepay's customer support. Unlike some apps that offer a direct delete account button within their settings, financial service providers often require you to go through a support channel. This is typically for security reasons and to ensure all necessary protocols are followed. You'll likely need to submit a request through their app's help section, their website's contact form, or by sending an email to their support team. When you contact them, be prepared to provide your account details for verification purposes. This might include your registered email address, phone number, and possibly some security questions to confirm your identity. Clearly state your intention to delete your account. They may ask for your reason for leaving, but you are not obligated to provide a detailed explanation. A simple "I no longer require the service" is usually sufficient. After you've submitted your request, Beforepay's support team will guide you through the remaining steps. They will confirm that your account is clear of any outstanding balances and then proceed with the deletion. Keep in mind that while the account deletion process might be initiated immediately, it could take a few business days for the deletion to be fully processed and for your data to be removed from their systems in accordance with their privacy policy and relevant regulations. It's always a good idea to follow up if you don't receive a confirmation within a reasonable time frame. Deleting your Beforepay account is definitely possible. The key takeaways are: settle any outstanding advances first, and then reach out to their customer support. It's a process designed to ensure both your financial obligations and data security are handled responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.